Hello everyone, good morning. I just woke up and decided to make my bed before going out to the bathroom and wash my face and brush my teeth before drinking coffee. This is the first cup of coffee for the day. I'm having black coffee. It rained last night. It was raining the whole night, so that is why the grounds are muddy and the trees are filled with dewdrops and raindrops. One of my cats decided to go out with me for the morning walk. I love when she joins with me. I absolutely love the mornings after a long, heavy rainy night. The trees seem so alive and the animals seem so active in the morning. I live in a very rural village. As you can see, there are no well-made roads or vehicles or even a building in sight. This is the aftermath of a rain. I love the dewdrops. The trees are still very wet from last night. This is a rose apple tree. The fruits are still in the process of growing. I will show you once they grow up fully. These little fruits are very crunchy, very watery and very refreshing. I love eating them. I will share with you once they fully grow. And I continued walking in my garden because this peaceful time doesn't come any other time of the day. So I love to enjoy this time to the fullest. I have to start studying now. This is the math book I'm using at the moment. I'm just practicing some engineering mathematics. It is like mental exercise. Just like you need physical exercise, you need mental exercise too. So after walking, I just do some mental exercise by solving some mathematical problems. I am getting hungry now, so I'm going to have breakfast. This is my breakfast. I have some leftover brinjal stir fry from last night and freshly made dal curry and white rice. I have to work now. I'm going to wash these clothes. We don't have a washing machine, so I'm washing all the clothes by hand. I came upstairs after washing the clothes. Now I have to hang them to dry. But before that, I'm just going to take a look around from upstairs. Birds and squirrels come here to eat rice. The white substance here is rice, and we have left a bowl of water too. They are coming here to drink water too. It makes me very happy when they eat our food and drink the water we are leaving for them. Now I need to get the clothes hanged and dried before a rainy session, because we don't have much non-rainy time. It will rain soon, so I need to get to work. My plants seem to be doing great. There is another set on the other side of the rooftop, but I feel lazy today. I'm just going to look around and just enjoy this greenery. Isn't it wonderful when the birds and squirrels are making noises? It is like therapy for me now. I absolutely love listening to animals, wind, and any nature sound. It is really therapeutic. Now I'm craving coffee, so I'm making milk coffee, and I need to start affirming. While drinking coffee, this is my affirmations book. I have written all the affirmations I have ever come up with. I have different segments for different areas. I hope you enjoyed my morning routine. It is a very simple one. And thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. Thank you so much.